Hi, and welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank. Today we're going to do a review video on a powdered cocktail mix from a company called Craft Mix. And this is going to be their whiskey sour. But before I get started, if you'd like to learn more about making cocktails low carb and keto friendly, click the little bell icon and the subscribe button and you'll be notified every time we put a new video out. So let's go ahead and get started. To make this a little simpler and kind of not as lengthy of a video, I've pre-made both of them. This is the whiskey sour from craftmix.com, and this is my normal whiskey sour. And you can see that video right here, how I do that, which is simple. It's 2 ounces of whiskey, 1 ounce of lemon juice, 1 ounce of simple syrup. I did use my sugar-free simple syrup, and this time I have come out with a new recipe using a monk fruit sweetener. And you can actually see that video right here also on how I do a 0 carb simple syrup. But enough of that, let's go ahead and talk about the 2 cocktails. This is the whiskey sour from Craft Cocktail Mix. Oh, I think it's just not mix, but yeah, Craft Mix. This is, they call it a cocktail powder. That's really easy to do. You'll take 3 ounces of water, 2 ounces of spirit, packet of their mix, drop some ice in, stir it up till it's dissolved, whiskey sour. Mine, more traditional, 2 ounces of whiskey, 1 ounce of lemon juice, 1 ounce of simple syrup, ice it, shake it, strain it over fresh ice. So this is my regular recipe, this is theirs. Now let's taste the difference, and that's the whole point of this video. So this is theirs. Whiskey right there. You can taste that lemon, and that's what I like about this, is that a lot of bottled and powder mixes, when they say it's supposed to have a lemon, all you really get is a citric. You don't really get any specific type of citrus. It's just citric acidy tasting. You don't know if it's lime, lemon, what it is. It's just very citric. This, you can actually taste the lemon. This is mine. Just like they always are, delicious. But let's talk about this one. The Craft Mix, it's damn good. As a matter of fact, honestly, I can't tell the difference between the two. Normally, I do these reviews, I'm like, oh no, mine's a little bit better, or the traditional regular one's a little bit better. You can taste that this one really wasn't crafted to taste like the original cocktail, but Craft Mix has done a wonderful job. I've had the mojito, absolutely delicious. Had the margarita, my wife fell over head over heels with that one. She likes it just as much as she liked my margaritas. But I'm gonna leave this right here so you guys can see it. So if you're looking for a quick, simple cocktail and you're not into mixing and all that, you just wanna throw something together really quick, Craft Mix is a wonderful, wonderful product. Like I said, I contacted them and asked if they can supply some samples so I can talk to you guys about it. And they did just that. They sent me one of each and kind of help you guys out. And let me get this out there now. They're not a paid affiliate. There's no exchange of money back and forth with this at all. I found a good product, contacted them, asked them to help me out so I can help you guys out. So they did provide me with a 20% coupon code to use on their website. I believe it's craftmix.com. There'll be a link in the description below to their website, along with a coupon code that they've supplied for me, and it's LCCG20, and that's LCCG20, LCCG, Low Carb Cocktail Guy, and 20 for the 20%. You'll get 20% off of your entire purchase, and my suggestion, grab it all. Just get all 3 of them. They come in boxes of 10. And I wanna say it's like, without the discount, it's 10, 11 bucks for 10 cocktails. I believe that's it. Check out their website. By all means, definitely pick this up. Like I said, you get 20% discount on your order. And I'm not quite sure if they still have it active. You can try it out if they do. And there's a code called Free Drink, and they'll get you 1 sample pack. But that's a waste of time. They're all good. Hopefully, they'll come out with other cocktails that are this good and this spot on to the traditional made cocktails. All right, guys, that's it. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good day, because when I finish both of these, I will be having a good day. See y'all later. Great job, guys.